What if I told you there is a tool used by professional investors for decades that can literally break down your entire portfolio, rate stocks with simple stars, and show you whether a company is undervalued or not? But most beginners still struggle to use it properly in 2026. Today, we are diving into Morningstar, and I'm going to show you how to actually use it as an investor step by step. So Morningstar is a financial research website at morningstar.com that helps you analyze stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and bonds using deep data and expert research instead of just simple price charts. Once you open the site, you can search for any stock and instantly see its valuation, financial health, risk level, and Morningstar's famous rating system where stocks and funds get 1 to 5 stars plus medalist ratings like gold or silver that suggest long-term quality. One of the most powerful features you should know is the stock page itself because it gives you everything in one place, including fair value estimates, financial statements, analyst reports, and future growth expectations so you can understand if a stock is potentially undervalued or overpriced. Another key tool is the portfolio section where you can manually add your investments or link accounts and then use the X-ray feature to see your real asset allocation across sectors, countries, and industries, which helps you avoid being overexposed without realizing it. There's also a screener tool where you can filter thousands of stocks and funds based on dividend yield, PE ratio, ratings, and performance to quickly find investment ideas. Now, when we look at real user opinions, Morningstar gets a very mixed reaction because many investors love the depth of research and say it helps them make smarter long-term decisions, especially for ETFs and diversified portfolios. But other users complain that the platform feels overloaded, difficult to navigate, and sometimes slow to load, especially when using portfolio tools. And a common criticism is the price, since the premium version can cost around $249 per year, which some beginners feel is too much for what they use. So the pros are extremely strong research data, trusted ratings, and powerful portfolio analysis tools, while the cons are complexity, a steep learning curve, and performance issues that can frustrate new users. So my honest opinion is that Morningstar is not a simple beginner app, but a serious research platform designed for long-term investors who want deep analysis rather than quick trading signals. And if you take the time to learn it, it can be very powerful. But if you just want simple investing guidance, it might feel overwhelming. So if you found this tutorial helpful and want more honest guides on investing tools in 2026, make sure to like and subscribe for more.